Hello, I'm Mike, a sales representative from Purveyor BM Limited, and today we're going to show you a water vending setup. So this is a water vending setup that includes a storage tank, a semi-automatic machine, and a bottle rinser, both of which are stainless steel made from food grade 304. So this is a bottle rinser. It has two parts. So one of them is to wash the outer part of the bottle, and the other is to wash the inner part of the bottle. It has a jet that makes water to come out in pressure, enabling you to wash or clean the inner part of the bottle effectively. When filling, you key in the price you want to refill, then you click start. It will fill and record. So basically, it records daily and cumulative sales, and they are also protected by a user password. On top of this, you can have a GSM model that replies you daily sales, and you don't have to come to the shop every day to check up on your sales. The machine is also fitted with secondary filtration that makes sure that you get clean water. For more details, you can contact us via 0729 059 537 or 0769 588 18. You can also interact with us via our social media platforms at Purveyor BM Limited, or visit our website at www.purveyor.co.ke.